Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play one number away on guitar. This technique adds a unique flavor to your melodies and solos. We will start by understanding what one number away truly means on the fretboard. Then, I will show you an easy method to find these notes and seamlessly integrate them into your playing. Get ready to enhance your guitar skills with this simple yet effective approach. To begin, pick any note on your guitar as your target. Now, identify the notes that are just one fret higher or one fret lower than your chosen note. These are your horizontal, one number away options. Additionally, consider the notes on the strings directly above and below your target, played at the same fret. These are your vertical neighbors, expanding your sonic possibilities. The easiest way to play one number away is by using hammer-ons and pull-offs. Start by playing your target note, then quickly hammer on to the note one fret higher without picking again. For pull-offs, play the higher note, then pull your finger off to sound the target note. Practice these movements slowly at first, ensuring each note rings out clearly and smoothly. Once you are comfortable with hammer-ons and pull-offs, start incorporating them into your existing playing. Try adding a one number away note to a simple melody or a basic chord progression. Experiment with how quickly or slowly you execute these movements. This technique is a fantastic way to add subtle embellishments and make your guitar lines more expressive and engaging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.